Welcome to MJ Gasket. What can I help you with?
I'm looking for a sealing solution for the Cummins QSK78.
Wow, the QSK78? That's a real monster. A massive engine with up to 3,500 horsepower and two-stage turbocharging.
Yeah, it is. Actually, many of my customers purchase the QSK78 cylinder head gasket and other nearby gaskets. I guess the cylinder head and its gaskets play a critical role.
They definitely do. The first key function of the cylinder head is structural integrity and compression sealing. The cylinder head connects the engine block with several critical systems, which helps withstand mechanical stress and seals the combustion chamber. Only with proper head gasket, the engine maintains the compression needed for efficient combustion.
Oh, but does it have anything to do with fuel?
Of course, the second function is supporting the fuel injection system. In Cummins engines, the cylinder head holds the fuel injectors, helping deliver diesel fuel directly into the combustion chamber.
Oh, so injector seals play a really important role here, right?
Exactly. Injector seals and O-rings help ensure precise placement and secure mounting of the injectors inside the cylinder head.
They also help prevent fuel leakage, compression loss, and contamination around the injector area. I guess the cylinder head is also related to the cooling system.
Yes, it is. To enhance thermal management, cooling channels such as the water manifold are connected to the cylinder head. At this stage, O-rings help seal the water transfer tubes, making sure coolant flows properly without leaks while carrying heat away from the combustion area.
I just thought of another function of the cylinder head, housing valves and ports.
Nice thought. The cylinder head contains the intake and exhaust ports, along with the valves that control airflow and exhaust gas flow. To support this valve train area, the cylinder head is connected to the rocker lever housing and valve cover. And if these upper engine connections are not sealed properly, oil leaks can happen. That's why the rocker lever housing gasket and valve cover gasket both play important roles. At this point, the exhaust manifold gasket helps seal the connection between the cylinder head and the exhaust manifold. This helps exhaust gases exit properly, supporting combustion timing, flow efficiency, and turbocharger performance.
Wow, it seems like the cylinder head and its related gaskets have a major impact on engine performance, downtime, and maintenance costs. But honestly, it can be confusing to know which gaskets to offer when customers need to service the cylinder head.
Exactly. That's why MJ provides the QSK78 cylinder head gasket kit as a complete solution, including the key gaskets and O-rings needed for the major sealing areas.
So instead of sourcing each gasket separately, customers can get a more complete solution in one kit.
That's right. When an engine is built for extreme power, its sealing solution needs to be ready for extreme conditions. MJ Gasket, your sealing solution for heavy-duty diesel engines.
MJ Gasket, develop non-stop.